Hello everybody, today we can see about Mindray AST. In the top we can see the brand name Mindray and in product name Aspartate Aminotransferase Kit for IFCC method. Here we can see the short form of Aspartate Aminotransferase Kit AST. This is the overall top view. Here we can see the front view. In the front view you can see the product name AST for IFCC method. This is other languages. In the bottom we can see the reference number AST0102. This kit contains two reagents. Reagent 1 4 into 35 ml. Reagent 2 2 into 18 ml. Here we can see the lot number, expiry date. This kit contains one instruction manual. This is C certificate IVD product. This kit maintains 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I am using the ice pack. In the bottom we can see the manufacturing details of this kit. This is overall view of this kit. Now we can see the other angles. On this side we can see the plane. On the back side we can see for in vitro diagnostic use. On the other angle in the bottom we can see the brand name Mindray, then manufacturing details of this kit. This is an overall view. Now I am going to first summary. Today we can see the Mindray Biochemistry kit, AST kit, Aspartate Aminotransferase kit for IFCC method. Thank you.